All right, journalist and Iranian dissident Masih Alinejad will testify in Manhattan today in the trial of two men that are implicated in a murder-for-hire plot against her life. Both of the men are Azerbaijani citizens and could face decades in prison if convicted. I want to bring in CBS News legal reporter and attorney Katrina Kaufman to talk about this. All right, Katrina, walk us through the details of this case. I don't think a lot of people are familiar with this case at all. And what are these two men accused of?
So Masih Alinejad is a prominent Iranian activist who's been very vocal about women's rights in Iran. She is a leader of the movement to free the hijab. And as a result, she's become a target of the Iranian government, Vlad. What prosecutors are saying is that a group of men were part of a murder-for-hire plot to assassinate Masih Alinejad here in New York at her home in Brooklyn. So the two men who are on trial are accused of directing that plot. There was another man who is now become a cooperating witness, and he had shown up at Masih Alinejad's door. She apparently was on a Zoom call at that time that was very important, so she didn't answer. But when he left, he ran a stoplight, was stopped by police, and they found a gun in the back of his car. And today, Vlad, she is supposed to testify here in court.
So what is expected in her testimony today, Katrina?
We're expecting that she's going to talk about why she's become such a target of the Iranian government, Vlad, as well as what happened that day and potentially the impact that this has had on her life. She is a very significant figure for Iranian women, a real hero, Vlad. She led this movement to free the hijab. She started something called White Wednesdays, where Iranian women are encouraged to wear white, to take off their hijabs. Many of them send her photos and videos, which she has disseminated, and she has drawn so much wrath from the Iranian government, Vlad, that there was actually a plot to assassinate her by someone who was also supposed to assassinate President Donald Trump before he was even elected. She has called that a badge of honor because it shows that what she's doing is having such an impact that the Iranian government has made multiple attempts, Vlad, to kidnap her, to kill her. And today we are going to get to hear more of her story in court.
Katrina Kaufman for us. Thank you, Katrina. Appreciate it.